Hello guys, this is Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com. What I have for you today is my phrasal verb challenge number 2. So if you watched the last video, you saw I did phrasal verb challenge number 1, which was about blow up and break down. In this phrasal verb challenge, I'm going to be looking at bring up and call for. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm walking around some different parts of Granada in the south of Spain, so it'd be cool for you to see some amazing places at the same time. The only problem was there was a lot of wind when I was filming, so I've had to adjust the audios a little bit, so there might be a bit of background noise. I apologise for that, but hopefully you'll be able to hear me okay. And yeah, if you like the video, click like below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have been having problems with these phrasal verbs in the past, feel free to write me a comment about this and I'll definitely help you out if I can. So I hope you enjoy the video. Also, if you are on a laptop or a computer and you click CC button at the bottom of the video, then you'll be able to read the subtitles as well as listen to me speaking, which will make it a lot easier for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you at the end. Bye bye.
Hey guys, this is Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com, and I'm currently sitting outside the entrance of Lam Bruh. I came back again a couple of days after phrasal verb challenge number 1 because it's just at the top of my road. Like I said, it's about a 10-minute walk, so very easy to get to. Absolutely boiling hot. Even though it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, it's still really hot. And yeah, so I think I'm going to have a bit more of a walk around Granada, by the parks and the gardens and stuff. You can probably see over here, beautiful trees, lemon trees and stuff. Yeah, I'll give you an update shortly. Hey guys, it's about 20 minutes later. I'm just walked around between the Lam Bruh and Granada, similar to yesterday. And it's quite quiet here, so I thought I'd stop, make a quick video about the next phrasal verbs that are on the list. So the next one down was bring up, to bring up. Now, to bring up is usually used when we're talking about children. Bringing up children, it means from that you look after a child from when it's a small child to when it's an adult. That's what bringing up means. So I brought up my 2 sons very well. You can say did you do it well? Did you bring them up badly? If you brought them up well, it means they're very well behaved and they're good people. If you brought them up badly, it means the opposite. But that's to bring up, okay? And it's different to grow up, because grow up is something that you do yourself. So I grow up, for example, or I grew up in the past, means I went from becoming a child to an adult. I grew up. I did it myself. Nobody grows me up. You cannot say to grow someone up. You can only say to bring someone up. That's a common mistake that a lot of my Cambridge English First, that's B2 First, and even Cambridge English Advanced, that's C1 Advanced, students make. So don't say to grow up someone else, just to bring up someone else. Okay, and the next phrasal verb that was on the list was call for something. To call for means to request. So I called for a taxi, which means I requested a taxi. Or I called for people to stop throwing litter in the streets, means I requested that people stop littering in the streets. Call is a regular verb, so you can say called for in the past. Or I will call for in the future. Bring is irregular. So we say bring, brought, brought. So I brought up my children is what we would say in the past. Okay, now I'm going to get back to my beautiful walk. Just walking up this path here. I don't know where it's going to lead me, so I went a bit off track. Away from the city of Granada, which is over that way in the distance. But I'm going to head off this way, see where I end up. So, I hope you enjoyed those two phrasal verbs, to bring up and to call for. And I might give you an update if I find anything else interesting on this walk. But for now, I've been Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. What we're going to do now is we're going to have a quick recap of all the vocabulary and phrasal verbs that you just learned. So keep watching and I'll see you after that. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com. If you found it useful, please give it a like because it will help other students find my work. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos. I'm releasing one for the Cambridge English First Certificate and Cambridge English Advanced every Monday and every Thursday at the moment. And yeah, if you've been having any problems with these difficulties, these exams or these phrasal verbs, feel free to write me a comment and I will respond if I have time. Okay, so I'll see you in the next phrasal verb challenge. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, so you have to keep tuned and we'll see what that is soon. Alright guys, bye bye.